So all I'm doing now is making sure that these seams, these edges, are butted up against one another. So kind of get everything situated before we actually do put the seams together. Kind of do a dry run on it and make sure that there's no gaps. So real quick, just wanted to show you, we've got, I'll pull the turf back a little bit. We've got the seaming tape lined up all underneath both sides of the turf. And then what we're gonna use is this little guide. This little plastic guide here, you fit over the seaming tape, and that'll help keep the tape aligned in the center between the seams. All you have to do is keep the arrows on the front and back in the middle of the seam, and basically from front arrow to back arrow is what's going to melt the seaming tape, the glue underneath. So all we do is get it lined up, push the power button, green light comes on the power button, and we wait for that green light to go off. Once the green light goes off, we move the seaming iron, and then we'll roll it to make sure the turf adheres to the melted seam tape underneath. Seaming the turf can be done with one person. It's easier with two. We always have a knee kicker nearby if we need to adjust the turf at all as we're seaming it up. So two people it just makes it easier. And you can see how quick this typically, the seaming iron, when you hit the power button and it starts activating, it takes maybe 20 seconds or so for it to be able to be moved. Another quick thing about the Easy Seam machine, there's a low, medium, and high setting on this. You want to use the lowest setting that you need to. We're on a kind of an overcast, cloudy day, so I've got this set to medium right now. If you're doing putting turf, typically low, because the putting turf is a lot shorter turf than this. It's not as thick. So you always want to try it on low first, test it and see if the tape underneath is melting. If it is, then use the low setting. If not, then go up to medium and see if that works. So always use the lowest setting.